What? You mean do not break stretch wrap? What am I supposed to do with it? Now you tell me? Too late. What do you mean do not break stretch wrap? What's to do with it? Ask it to move nicely? Seriously? Do not break stretch wrap? Surely that's for the shippers, right? Oh Lord. Do not break stretch wrap. Stretch wrap, will you please kindly remove yourself without breaking from this box? X Pro. What does that even mean? X Pro. My almost sharp knife. X Pro. X Pro, a lot of things nowadays. Alright, there's the exciting box from whatever the hell that says. Alright, X Pro. Alright, X Pro, what do you got for me? First reveal. What's going on? What's going on down here? Am I on the head or the tail? Alright, they lie. It's not fully assembled. Not fully assembled. I mean, almost fully assembled. Fully assembled. Kind of. Kind of fully assembled. Oh. Guess I should do like everybody else. Just lift the box up, huh? Alright. Alright. Careful when be on retards of TikTok. Alright, I can't do this with one hand. I don't think I can do it with two hands. Let me see what's going on here. Is that cut down there? What's going on? Oh Lord. Lord have mercy. Don't show me on there. Jesus. Scare my two viewers away. Ugh. That's a nice solid frame. But built a house out of that. Tiny house. Come on now. Oh, okay. Let's do it like that. Don't break the box. Don't break anything. Just let it sit there. Ow. In your garage or wherever. Fully boxed and fully wrapped. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, have mercy. Fully boxed and fully wrapped. For your viewing pleasure. I'm really impressed with the frame or whatever. The camera. That's nice. Oh yeah, I'm a professional. Professional video dude. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, you. Come here, you. Get over here. Oh Lord. Please let the tires be pumped up. Ooh, that's nice. I don't have a hand pump like this. Alright. Oh, here comes my thing.